Now let's talk about general adult tests. Body weight. It is important to keep to a healthy body weight, as being overweight or underweight can increase your risk of certain disorders. Your doctor may monitor your weight by weighing you and measuring your body mass index or BMI and waist size. Your weight depends on your age, your sex, height, shape, bone, and muscle structure, and fat distribution. It is also influenced by your metabolism, how your body turns food into energy, and lifestyle. Being overweight might not immediately cause health issues, but excess fat can put a strain on your joints and can raise your risk of sleep disorders, heart disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. It is also important not to be underweight, as this can increase your risk of disorders such as osteoporosis. Waist and hip size. The doctor may measure your waist to see if you have excess fat around your middle, which can increase your risk of developing diabetes or heart and circulation diseases. The doctor may also measure around the hips and work out your waist-hip ratio to assess body fat distribution. Measuring your hips and waist. Use a cloth measuring tape or a piece of string. Wrap the tape around you so it is level and lies flat without digging in. Weight around the middle usually means that there is more fat near the internal organs, which might influence the way they function. So the formula for waist-hip ratio is waist measurement in inch or cm divided by hip measurement in inches or cm. So for waist size, healthy men will have 37 inches or less than 94 centimeters. Moderate risk would be 37 to 40 inches, and high risk would be 40 inches. For women, healthy waist size is 31.5 inches. Moderate risk is 31.5 to 34 inches. High risk is 34 inches. The waist-hip ratio for men, healthy waist-hip ratio is less than 0.9. Moderate risk would be 0.9 to 0.99, and high risk would be equal or more than 1. For women, the healthy waist-hip ratio is less than 0.8. Moderate risk would be 0.8 to 0.89. High risk would be equal or more than 0.9. So here you could see the comparison for the table showing the weight and height. Okay. So for obese, BMI is 30 or more. Overweight would be 25 to 29.9. Healthy weight is 18.5 to 24.9. Underweight would be a BMI of 18.4 or less. Body mass index or BMI is a calculation based on weight and height. It will show generally whether you are carrying too much or too little weight for someone of your height. It is not a totally accurate guide. For example, some muscular athletes may have a BMI suggesting that they are overweight, and BMI does not indicate fat distribution. In addition, BMI does not distinguish between men and women. However, it is still a quick and useful tool to help you assess weight-related health risks. So BMI is weight in kilos divided by height in meters times height in meters. You can check whether you fall in a healthy weight range by using the weight height chart or by calculating it yourself. This chart will show the ranges for adults only. So self-help measures, we should follow a healthy diet and cut down on sugar and salt, keep physically active, stick to regular sleeping hours, and try to reduce stress. Thank you for your attention.